Curbstone and interlock is placed. So in between this area. Welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Shastek International. In this video, we are discussing about our ongoing project. This is actually a facility development project. It's a labor camp we are making. So most of the works are running parallelly. So once this curbstone and interlock is placed, so in between this area, these cabins will come. So in that area, already the cabins and everything we already placed. That is the roadway. Near to that roadway, there is a toilets cabins we are placing. 4 cabins we already placed, and there is a 35,000 liter septic tanks are there. This septic tank we constructed with the door walls, and we make so many applications for that septic tank. In one area, there is this cabin work is going on, and the electrical connections and everything is running parallelly. In that area, there is a generator shelters are coming. This bund work is now going on, and our water tanks and everything is coming in the rear side of this portable cabin. There is a playground coming. The demarcation we did with this curbstone, and after that one we're gonna paint that area. There is a basketball court is coming, and cricket field and football field are coming. So like that we are doing this project. Thank you, thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.